really nice fireplace. And it brings out the heat really good. I had to turn it down when I first got it because it was too hot in my bedroom to, so I had to turn it down. It's really nice. And I have it, it's cool right to the touch right here. So I could put my little plants in front of it and my little decorations and stuff. The heater is up there. Just gotta take a small brush though and brush it because sometimes it will get dusty and everything. But overall, I mean, it heats my room, and I got a pretty long room. It's like a trailer size room. See how long my room is? It's long. So yeah, overall, it's a good fireplace. It will really heat your room.